next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 28, verse 21.
My Lord, save me from the wrongdoing people.
This supplication indicates that those who want to be saved from those who wrong them must avoid wronging others. Generally speaking, it is clear from Islamic teachings that how one behaves is how they will be treated. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 1924, that whoever shows mercy to others will be shown mercy by Allah, the Exalted. From this, one can conclude that the one who does not show mercy to others will not be shown mercy by Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, a Muslim should always treat others how they wish to be treated by people, which is with kindness and respect. In addition, Muslims will be tested by being wronged by others, even if they treat others kindly. In these cases, a Muslim should show patience without weakness, meaning, a Muslim has permission to defend themselves within reasonable limits. And they should continue treating people with respect, hoping for reward from Allah, the Exalted. But those who change their tune and mistreat others after being mistreated only prove their insincerity, meaning, they treat others kindly for the sake of people, not for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. But the one who treats others kindly for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will continue to do so in all circumstances and situations.